Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Snapchat account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to two-factor authentication. Scroll down and find the two-factor authentication option under the security section. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes. You can choose to receive codes via SMS or use an authentication app. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method to finalize enabling 2FA. Now your Snapchat account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid being locked out of your account.